there was a company based in New York who we still do business with called the Racenstein Company. And they were called, what did they call it? Not mongers, but something, they were in the rag business. And they sold stuff like that and everything. And so he said that's who he had to get to sell his product. So he went back east, and he went to, at the time it was George Racenstein. And he told me, he says, this is my new tool, and I really want you to sell it. And he goes, oh, you know, that's a toy. Nobody's going to buy that thing. You expect me to sell that thing? And he said, well, no. He says, it's going to work. Everybody, you know, I've been giving it away where I am, and everybody likes it. And I think if you sell it, you're going to do good. And he says, well, I don't know. And he says, well, look, he says, let's make a bet. Let's make a bet that within 3 to 4 weeks, you're going to place an order for me. If I lose, I'll buy you a hat. If I win, you'll buy me a hat. You know, one of the best hats in New York. So he agreed to it. So my father came back and made a bunch of squeegees, and he had a friend of his and himself. They went out on the street and they gave it away. They said, you know, try this, you know, and if you like it, call J. Racenstein in New York, and they'll help you take care of it. So he did that. He went all over and did that, and within a month, you know, Mr. Racenstein had to concede that he had to place an order, and we have a hat, and that's for that. That's for the hat. That's the actual hat.
Wow.
That's
cool.
the hat that he got. And yeah. I'm not sure, somewhere I know I have the date. It's probably in the 40s. Mm-hmm. But yeah, and the Racenstein Company is still a customer of ours today.